Oh, shut her down, guys. Shut her down. Jim needs to change his diff fluid. Can't wait another day. Shut her down. Hey, Jim. Shut her down. Shut her down. Shut her down, boys. And get the truck up on the hoist right now, boys. We ain't got time. We ain't got time. Jim's got to change his front diff fluid because it's the 1 more kilometer. What's it? 1 more kilometer. It blowed up. It exploded. Just zigzagging up it big time. Like, it's only freezing. Hey, listen, it's freezing cold out. I'm up to my asshole in my own shit. Hey, come on over, Jim. Change your diff fluid. Can't go 1 more kilometer, buddy.
Be all over the ground.
Fuck.
Right?
What about the metal shavings?
Well, I just get rid of those, and then it's
and then it's like new. And then it's like new again.
Well, yeah, it's like basically a new diff.
Do you want to borrow some magnets to stick all over your shit so the metal flakes all just...
I've seen that. It's a really good idea. I mean, it's got a magnet in it, but it's definitely so caked that it can't stick anymore.
It's like not going to hold any more shrapnel than that.
Yeah.
There's no more gear teeth than that.
For sakes.
What?
Hold on. I gotta get the stool. Good guy.
Jim, ladies and gentlemen. Oh no. Hey, Jimmy! 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 Careful.
It's not gonna do much good when all my stuff's inside the truck.
Yeah, that doesn't work very well, does it? Well, let's see how Rascal Flats gets off the hoist here, boys. This will be good. You want to climb on my back?
Yeah. Can I climb on your penis?
Yes. Can you mount my shaft?
Well, how slippery is that right there?
Jump right there. That's a good grip. But over here, not so much. Oh, look at him go, boys. He's like
legs just...
Yeah. He's like Steven Seagal, for f***ing sakes, eh?
Yeah.
Bullshito and stuff.
Yeah.
Gray belt bullshito.
Oh, fuck. You want to see the problem that we're dealing with, though?
Oh, you just put your bowl piece in that, bud.
Well, yeah. Big time.
Well, I didn't realize this was going to be an all-day event. Stand by. Hey, stand by 45 minutes.
Does this thing not even have
Oh, look at Jim's Wapney. Look at Jim's Wapney, boys. Show me, boys. No, yes,
no.
Come here, Jim.
No.
Come here. Let me see.
No.
Let me see your Wapney. Show him your Wapney.
No.
This is my daughter's Wapney, boys. Oh, Jim's Wapney, boys. Hold it up and pose with it and stuff. Look at him. Look at Jim's Wapney. Oh, shit.
Holy.
Yeah. You gotta spray paint that. You look foolish.
Right?
You look foolish with that.
At least it got the
You show up to the job site with that. Getting banged out.
Yeah.
Eh?
Fill. Drain.
Oh, look at Jim go. He knows stuff.
Wow.
Here, let me just back up while you just know a whole bunch of stuff over here, Jim. Sorry about that. Yeah, I wasn't aware.
You're astute, right?
We'll just snap your entire sack the whole time.
Should have grabbed my raunch.
Oh no. Fuck. Eh?
Raunch for that.
Yeah. Better climb back up there with your cowboy booties. Hey, but no, listen. Hey, I don't have anything going on, so anytime you need to just use the hoist, come over, bother me, use my shit, tools, and expertise.
Well, I think you said that before, and that's why I'm here.
Oh, sorry about that.
Yeah,
right on. Perfect.
No worries.
Yeah, there's no. I'm just like jonesing for different things to do. You know.
That's not even the right size.
Nope.
Yep.
Jim's too dick, boys. Look at him go. Hey, how's your Wapney?
It doesn't work very good.
How's your Wapney, bud?
Doesn't have
Show me.
cholesterol.
Where's the other button? Maybe it's got a button. Is there a button for more fast? Oh no, really? Oh no. Yeah, you got like a drywall gun or something.
Yeah, it's
the guy's trying to undo his
drywall
fucking
screws.
Yeah, the guy's trying to do lub nuts with his drywall gun, for sakes. I'm gonna go inside where it's warm, and you fucking monkey around like a dipshits out here, and yeah, let me know if you're having a disco party, and I'll come out and film it and laugh. I'll laugh at all the sparkles coming out of your differential stuff. It'll be great for my movie. Hey, maybe if your arm didn't start bending like a U as soon as you started. Hey, your stupid twig arm starts bending like a U when you start pulling on the fucking wrench. He's over there, oh, I'm gonna break your wrench. No, bud, you're gonna break your arm. Your arm is twisting like a U, bud. Yeah, I mean, why is your arm just folding like that?
I'm folding like what?
It's like like both bending where your elbow isn't. How do you get your arm to bend like that? Okay, we'll get that fucker off there, or you're fucked, you know what I mean?
I know, I'm trying.
You gotta get the disco party out of your differential, buddy.
Well, that's the goal here. But...
Okay, guys, watch his forearm. Watch it just bend like a forearm.
Oh, how would it bend like a U if I'm pulling?
Oh, good times, eh?
Oh, fuck.
Oh. Look at him go! Oh, I don't think it's going though. I think it's folding the nut. Yeah, you're just folding the nut. Oh yeah, you're just twisting.
Did I just round it?
Yeah, I could see just by the accurate, right?
Yeah.
I could tell just by the way that it went that it wasn't.
You could tell by the way that it went that it wasn't.
Yeah, you got to be able to feel that. If I can see it, you got to be able to feel it.
Well,
Jim.
I did, but I was just.
You were hoping.
Fuck. My hopes up. Now it's round. So
yeah. Oh, bud, you want to work on a differential?
No.
We got a disco party in the differential, buddy. Ain't got anything going on, Jim.
Okay, cool.
That's cool.
That's good.
Well, that should have sunk enough heat into her to loosen her off.
Right.
And give us something to get an adjustable tweenus on.
Holy. Oh, buddy, why is your arm bending all weird? How do you do that?
How do you better get it to bend like that in the middle, though?
How'd you get another elbow? Why is it doing that?
Oh, Jim.
Nope.
Did you feel a budge?
Well,
what I need is my hammer.
ah.
They call him Nancy Boy, Nancy Boy. Hey?
I like it. Oh, I see it budging.
They call you Nancy Boy Jim, don't they, buddy?
Yeah, they do.
Yeah, it's because you're a Nancy boy.
How'd you know?
Because you came out of my penis.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, buddy.
Oh, it's budging.
I'm like a f***ing bolt. I gotta get. Can you get the shot of the weld on this though? Or can you get the shot of the? I put like a weld on there. See that?
Oh,
it's a specific made of weld for this bolt's purpose.
Nice.
See that?
That's a good thing.
Yeah, it's like a hang down. See, it's like.
It's like a hang.
It's like a hang.
It's like a hangnail, but on your.
Yeah. Like on your weenus sort of thing. Here, grab that and just undo that with your fingers.
Okay.
Okay, but that'll come out now, I guess. Well, maybe, I guess. Is it coming out, or is it just spinning on the
it's going.
head of the guy?
No, the whole thing's going.
You know what I mean? It's probably just like the weld's just broken off, and it's just
you're just spinning it for fun.
Spinning the nut for. Ooh, yeah! Look at that. That's a big, huge thing, eh? Yeah. So we're gonna have to. We'll take that in and clean up that weld.
And then just Marmaduke it back on.
Yeah, but yeah, we'll get that out, drain it, and then we can proceed from there.
Of course.
It'd be awesome. Let's get a better sant at that in the in the light. Look at that, boys. That is a nice porosity wang, eh? Look at the chooch. Freaking A rights. So we'll let that butt out for half an hour. Hey guys, I don't have anything going on, so I don't mind, eh? I don't have anything going on in my whole entire life, and there's no projects going on in Inwood, so that's good that Jim picked today of all days, and he can't wait till next week when it's not freezing as cold out in the middle of the night. Can't wait. It's not going to go one more kilometer. The differential will fly out of it. The differential will fly out of it if you went one more kilometer. So that's unfortunate.
Right. It would fall out.
Yep. Holy dude. Oh, you're missing. Is that full? Could be. It's drizzling out.
Well, it said fucking 1.5 of these cocksuckers.
Well, stick your finger in there and make sure that it's not just on the edge and running out, right? It's actually full.
I think it was just running down the side of the bottle.
Probably. Nice night for this. Pretty good times. Here, I'm gonna go inside where it's warm. There's a heater and stuff in there. It's weird. It's not minus 714. Poor Jim just gets his entire sack snapped off. Hey, that was pretty funny when he told me my arm was bending though. Friggin' guy. Yeah, we finished welded it, but we left the P-noose on there.
Nice.
Hey,
That's got
awesome.
Now the P-noose has a pelvic region.
Yeah. Hey, it's not. We didn't want it to snap off or anything crazy, so
Right.
just welded that on there, and now he's got a 57/95 nut on his
First fill plug. Yeah.
Hey? Nice. So Uncle Steve's fill plug, eh? Uncle Steve's inlet, eh? His inlet port.
Yeah.
I apologize. I apologize that I make fun of Uncle Steve sometimes in your arm because it's all flimsy and bends really easy.
Yeah, I know, it's bending really bad.
Where there's not an elbow. Eh?
Right in the middle.
Yeah, right.
Between the two joints.
Yeah, between the elbow and the wrist.
Yeah.
Just like a U. Yeah, you gotta be careful with a flimsy stick arm like that. With a hairy pencil.
Yeah,
Hey, with a hairy
fucking
pencil
hairy
like
pencil.
that. For crying out. Look at that hairy pencil.
Hairy pencil.
Hey, holy shit. Sorry about that. Hey, I know. Let's do some raps.
Well, no.
Why?
Because quit.
We could do a rap about Inwood and bum darts. Eh? But the big Inwood bum dart tournament. We could make a rap about that.
Oh, we should.
Okay, here he goes, boys. Oh, I can see it's still running out, so that's good. Hurry up, put that in. You're running it out. It's running out. Is that warm?
Oh,
you got to put the O-ring on it too.
Oh, you took the O-ring off?
Yeah.
So it didn't melt. Where is that?
It's I threw it away.
Oh.
Shh, listen closely. Oh, that was poop.
Oh, nice.
Sorry about that.
Did you go to the Donaker in your shorts?
Yes.
I've done that recently.
Yeah, you mentioned that earlier.
Yeah.
How it was just juice.
Yeah, I just juiced myself on the side of the
How
road.
you just juiced your apparel.
About an hour and a half from the shop.
Nice, not too bad.
Not too bad.
You had to just like use gauze out of the first aid kit on your butt.
Yeah. Exactly what I did.
Oh, sweet. That is a friggin' custom nut right there, buddy.
Right?
Hey, really? Like, I mean, get that son of a bitch tight as frig. You don't want that to just somehow loosen off with magic. Like, you want to be able to hang off that till your arm's bending like a U.
Right.
Hey? Sorry about that. Nice. There you go. 60 more turns and you're good. Oh, there you go.
That's probably good.
I heard
The bubble?
Yeah, I heard the fucking knuckle crack and
That was my asshole.
yeah, your shoulder. Eh?
Oh, that was the ring piece.
Heard your shoulder buckle. Eh? Sorry about that.
All good.
It's okay.
Oh, the dink even hangs down.
Nice.
Yeah, that's Steve's dink.
Yeah. Oh, fuck yeah. So Jim calls his truck freaking Uncle Steve, and look at that, right out of the butt.
Right.
That looks like it might be a little bit of jizz.
That's Steve Jizz.
Right out of the butt.
Yeah, right out of where
Right
his
out of-
dink is now.
Yeah, right out of where Steve. Yeah, where his dink is now, but where his butt used to be.
Yeah.
But that is disco party and Jim's freaking differential. You love that kind.
Yeah.
Nice.
Well, it's not in there anymore, so a couple
Yeah.
more days.
Oh yeah, if you went one more kilometer, but we need to do that in the middle of winter, right in the middle of me doing my truck.
I know.
So I had to shut down my whole operation. I had to move all my shit. I had to get all things up in the air and stuff. It's okay. Don't worry.
Oh,
Oh Oh, you're lucky I love you.